Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Make Money Matt, helping you guys make money online. Right now, I'm going to show you how I generated $21,606 in the past 28 days. From November 13th through December 10th, I'm going to show you the method that I've been using to generate a lot of money with YouTube. This is probably a lot more money than any of you guys watching this think is actually possible of being generated with YouTube. But I am here to tell you guys that this is more than possible, and I've showed multiple of my friends how to do this method. And you guys might be wondering, like, why would you show other people how you're making $21,000 per month on YouTube? Well, the answer is quite simple, guys. It's that there's basically an unlimited amount of niches on YouTube. So say if I'm doing a video in the tech niche, then someone else is going to do a different niche, and you can do this with so many different niches on YouTube. And here's the kicker, guys. This is using videos I didn't even make. And now you guys are probably really confused, like, what exactly do I mean by that? I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I mean by that. But as you can see, guys, I'm actually logged into my YouTube analytics right here. $21,606 in the past 28 days. That is absolutely insane. I saw that I was on trajectory, if I could just keep this number up, to hit that $20,000 mark within YouTube. So that's super awesome. And I actually have another channel that's generating about $3,000 per month that I just started at the beginning of this year. So this is more than possible, guys, to get monetized by YouTube fast. Upload videos you didn't even make. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that, and start making money with YouTube today. So going through some of the days right here, as you can see, on November 13th, I made $307.93, then it went down to $277, $333 on November 15th. Now, I was making around $200 to $300 per day for the entire year. So in the past 365 days, if I show you real quick, last 365 days of this channel, you can see that this channel has made $124,000 in the past 365 days. And as you can see right here, I was making about $200 to $300 per day from about July all the way up into early November. And then things really kicked off. And it's because I implemented a few key things that are crucial for the YouTube algorithm. And I'm going to be explaining to you exactly what I mean by that. But as you can see, that's for the past 365 days. If we go back to the past 28 days, as you can see, $21,000, guys. Now, if we go to the past 30 days, which is more like a month. So in the past month, $22,225 in the past 30 days. Absolutely awesome. As you can see, about $200 to $300. Then it really rose up. And as you can see, $900 that day went down to about $500. And then it went back up, hit $1,000 in a single day on November 26th, guys. It's absolutely amazing that you can generate this type of revenue with YouTube. And I'm going to show you some example channels that are doing just this and how you can do this too, by utilizing a few key things. So I showed you how much money I'm making with this method, around $1,000 a day right now, and this is really limited to as many videos as you can upload. So if you can upload like 5 to 10 videos a day, which is what I'm doing with this particular channel right here, and this is with a single channel, guys. Like I said, I have another channel making around $3,000 a month, which I hardly even touch. This is a channel I'm uploading like 5 to 10 videos a day. As you can see, $1,000 per day. And a lot of this revenue keeps coming in even when you stop uploading videos. Like, one of these weeks, I even stopped uploading videos. As you can see, it started to go down again, but then I started uploading again, and that's back up. And another reason to jump in with this method, guys, is that it is the holiday season. So ad rates on YouTube are super high right now, and now is the perfect time to start doing this method. So let me show you some channels that are doing exactly this and making a lot of money, and specifically in the past 30 days for my channel, $22,000 on YouTube. Absolutely amazing, guys. Now here is the first channel that I want to show you guys. This channel is called Master Saint, and as you can see, this channel has 3.4 million subscribers, and all this channel does, this guy doesn't even show his face or anything. All this guy does is find a bunch of videos, and he puts them together into a compilation, and he does like a voiceover over the videos. So in this video, essentially, he's saying, today we're going to be going through a ton of really cool dodgeball videos. 4.7 million views in the past 6 months. These are videos he didn't even make that he's re-uploading to YouTube. and making a lot of money off of it. 4.7 million views could make as little as $4,000 or as much as $16,000, especially for a video longer than 10 minutes like this one. As you can see, this video is 11 minutes and 23 seconds, so he can put multiple ads on a video that's longer than 10 minutes. And this applies for a very broad range of niches, as I'm going to be showing you in just a second. There's like tech channels doing this. You can do this in so many different niches, and that's why I'm open to sharing this method, actually, even though I'm doing it as well, and I've showed multiple of my friends how to do this. That's why I'm open to sharing this method, because there's so many different niches that you can do this in. As you can see, his channel doesn't really focus on any broad niche. Now, you guys might be wondering, how much is this guy making from his YouTube channel? How much is Master Saint making? If we go into his Social Blade stats, I actually highly recommend this Social Blade plugin right here, because you can see estimates of how much YouTubers are making. But as you can see, $2,000 to $41,000 per month. Now, I can tell you guys from experience from my channel that this figure, $2,000 to $41,000 a month, is right about in the middle of that. So I would estimate on the low end, on the very low end, this guy is making at least $20,000 a month uploading videos he didn't even make. Now, if we go down to the videos right here, this is another really shocking thing. If you see his uploads, he just uploaded a video 4 days ago, but he went 6 months without uploading a video. As you can see, this video is 6 months ago, and as you can see, even prior to 4 days ago, he was still getting like 5,000, 7,000, 7,000 subscribers a day, 1 million views a day, 1 million views, 1.233 million views per day on his YouTube channel, and that translates between $300 and $5,000 per day, guys. So he's easily making $2,000 a day, and he took a 6-month break, guys. Like, I don't know if people realize how much money that you can actually make with this method. And as you can see, he's really smart titling these videos too, like Kid beats entire dodgeball team in 30 seconds. He puts it like underscored, so it seems like that's just someone uploading their video. There's a lot of viral videos like that. So that's really smart. Now, there's a lot of channels doing this, guys. Here's another channel doing this exact same thing called Infinite. And what this guy essentially does is the same thing. Now, this guy does show his face, so if we go to one of his videos right here, as you can see, he is showing his face, and he's reacting to things like this one, the creepiest photos that will make you nope. Just videos like this, guys, but you don't even have to show your face. You can even just do a voiceover, which is what I recommend, but I'm going to be showing you a channel in just a second here that doesn't show their face, and they don't even do voiceovers, so you don't even have to do voiceovers or show your face to do this method and make a lot of money with YouTube. So as you can see in this guy's Social Blade analytics right here, he's making between $9,000 and $157,000 per month. He's getting a daily view average of 1.2 million views per day, which is absolutely amazing, guys. This guy's making a lot of money with YouTube. So again, if that figure is in the middle of these two Social Blade estimates, he's making at least $100,000 per month on YouTube, which is absolutely amazing. Now let me show you a channel that is not showing their face, and they're not even doing voiceovers. All they're doing is taking other people's clips and making them into their own videos and making a lot of money with it. And I'm going to explain to you how exactly this channel gets over like the whole copyright issue and everything like that. So this channel is called Quantum Tech HD, and what this channel does is find tech videos, and they put them together into their own video. They make like 10-minute compilations of it, like this one, New Inventions That Are on Another Level 9, 7,000 views in 3 hours. But the view average for these videos is absolutely insane. Like, let me show you. 7 million views 3 weeks ago, 1.2 million views 2 weeks ago, 1.6 million views 2 weeks ago. As you can see, every video has at least 1 million views. So this video that was uploaded 3 hours ago is at least going to get 1 million views based off of every other video they've uploaded. So if we go to the stats for this channel, this is going to absolutely blow you guys away. When we go to the stats for this channel, $25,000 to $409,000 per month on a single YouTube channel. Like, this is possible, guys. So if we go to the middle of that figure, at least by the minimum, and tech ads are so much better than any other advertisements, so this guy has a much higher CPM, which means he's making more money per 1,000 views than, say, any of these channels. Like, these channels are still making a lot of money, but this channel, this Quantum Tech HD channel, most likely has really good ads because it's for tech products, and it's kind of self-explanatory in that there's more people advertising tech products there are people advertising, say, other kinds of products. But as you can see, guys, this channel is getting a daily view average of 2 to 3 million views a day. Now that's a lot of money, guys. $5,000 a day based off of these Social Blade estimates on the side here. But this channel's making a lot of money. And now wait till I show you an actual video. Let me open up a video here of what they're doing. So as you can see, we have the video open up right here. As I was just showing you guys, this video had 7,000 views. I just clicked it. Now it's already up to 12,000 by the time I clicked this video. And as you guys saw, each of their videos gets around 1 million views, which equals a lot of money. And now what this channel is doing, as you can see, it's literally just taking other people's tech videos, putting them into their own video, into this sort of compilation of all these new inventions, quote unquote, that are on another level. They just show the inventions. There's no voiceover on this. You guys can check this channel out for yourself. There's no voiceovers on this. They're literally just putting a compilation together. Now, you guys are probably really wondering, where are they getting these videos? Now, the answer is really simple. They're simply going to, like, Kickstarters, Amazons, as you can see, GearBest.com, Amazon.com, things like that. Indiegogo is a really good one, too, to find these tech products. And they're downloading those videos, or, like, screen recording them, or whatever, and then they're putting them together into their own video, and they're re-uploading it onto YouTube, and getting this many views, and making this much money, using videos they didn't even make. And now I will admit, a lot of this does come down to how you keyword videos. And I've been on YouTube for 4 years, and I've met some of the biggest YouTubers out there, and I know how they keyword their videos, I know how they title their videos, and I know how to do keyword research to find the best ideas for videos, because it's not by accident that they're titling these videos the way they are. If you guys are interested, I do have a course where I show you guys exactly step by step how to make a channel, how to start making money on YouTube, MakeMoneyMatt.com. You can check it out at the link in the description. If you're interested in getting a little bit more of a step-by-step process showing you exactly how I make over $22,000 a month on YouTube, $122,000 in the past 365 days. I actually have to update this course page. As you can see, it says $110,000 in the past 365 days. It's actually up to $122,000, which is pretty cool. But if you are interested, as you can see, Google pays me on the 21st of every single month. And if we go down to the course section right here, I have a whole section on optimizing your YouTube channel, which nobody talks about. Everybody talks about optimizing videos, which I also have a huge section on how to optimize your videos, increase your watch time and subscribers, use clickbait to get more views. I show the absolute best niches you can do this in to start making money on YouTube as soon as possible. I show you how to make an AdSense account, connect it with your YouTube channel, how to download and upload videos, how to stitch together those compilation videos using free software. So that in of itself pays for the course, not having to buy like any really good video editing software, which you don't need to do this. I show you guys the best free software you can use to do this and how I do it too. I show you how to put ads on your videos, how to monetize your videos, and I actually show you 2 secrets to multiplying your revenue with YouTube, so you can make up to 10 times as much money as anybody else on YouTube makes. So if you guys are interested in that, you can check out the course at the link in the description. I'm going to be finding tons of new example channels to show you guys doing this exact same thing, and I'm going to be sharing them with you guys on this YouTube channel. So if you're interested, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best methods that I find to make money online, so you guys can start making money online with these methods as well. Again, link is in the description if you're interested in checking out my course. I've gotten a lot of positive student feedback so far, and another added bonus to this course is you guys can actually directly ask me questions, and I'll be answering them as well, so I can further walk you through how to get started with this method and start making money with YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.